As the role of cities in the life of modern society increases, every aspect of the appearance of metropolises must be carefully evaluated. Lighting is an important factor in creating a good night impression of the city, and also ensures aesthetics during the day. Our dedication to comfort drives us not only to improve the characteristics of lighting equipment, but also to revise the quality criteria of the lighting environment as a whole. This approach was the basis for the creation of the Apex LED fixture. The combination of premium contours and innovative design solutions made it possible to create a light device that has a unique balance of features and creates new trends in the formation of urban environments. Apex LED is a reflective device. The light source is hidden from the eyes of the observer, which considerably reduces the blinding effect and offers unparalleled visual comfort. The concept of the luminaire was developed in collaboration with the Cornelissen Brothers Design Bureau.
In our opinion, a luminaire for typically urban applications like a square or a shopping street, where there's a lot of pedestrian circulation, such a luminaire should not be aggressive, but should offer comfort, both visually, aesthetically, and also lighting technically. So we have created a design that looks pure and simple. There's no visible technique, just a combination of conical shapes.
In the process of technical implementation of the product, we used the best engineering competencies. We paid special attention to the component base, which allowed us to obtain high technical characteristics in a perfect form. One of our goals was to limit light pollution. This was achieved by correctly calculating the optical system. Chip-on-board LEDs are the chosen light source of the luminaire. They make it possible to concentrate a high luminous flux at a small surface. The system of reflectors forms a light beam, directing it to the reflector. The reflector is the main structural element of the optical system and the visual dominant of the luminaire. Modern materials and technologies offer a high reflection coefficient and ensure maximum visual comfort. The optic is protected by a transparent lens made of photo-stabilized polycarbonate. Each element of the optical system contributes to the formation of the efficiency of the light device. The luminous efficiency of Apex LED is 84 lumens per watt, which is an advanced value for reflective devices. The luminaire housing is made using aluminium die casting technology. The optimum design of the radiator offers an effective heatsink with a compact device. Production quality is the key to product reliability. Apex LED luminaires are assembled manually with individual control of each structural unit. Checking the conformity of the characteristics with the specified values is carried out in the central factory laboratory. Creating a light solution is not limited to the choice of luminaires. To implement a truly high-quality project that combines comfortable lighting and attractive aesthetics, you need an extensive approach. During the design process, we not only make professional light calculations, but we also combine fixtures with special supports from our range, emphasizing the robustness of the structure for the best integration with the urban environment. Apex LED, a guaranteed light comfort.